Let's turn another manual job into an automated system. Today's system is gonna find you clients from Google Maps and it's gonna take them and write them down into a Google Sheets with email opener. Let's see how it works. We have a form that you can submit. You have to choose a business type. Let's say cake shop. We can choose a location. Let's say East London, and limit searches, how many searches you want it to make. Let's say 1 for now, and to see how many leads we're gonna get from one search. We submit the form, and after that our workflow is creating the query that it's gonna send, copying the template sheet, and it runs this workflow in the backend, which goes search for our leads, enrich them, get their emails, and write the email opener for us. And in the end, it's gonna send us an email with the link to the Google Sheet with all of the data ready. I'm gonna come back when the Google Sheet is ready. Okay, our workflow is ready. It sends an email with the Google Sheet. Let's check the email. Okay, it's our email, new outreach list, and when we go in, the name is Cake Shop East, our search, and the date. And as you can see, straight away we have the URL of the business. That straight away you can see all of the emails found there, company name, contact person. If doesn't find the person, it's gonna use the company's name, phone number, address, description of the company. You can see Fab Cake is a luxury cake. So from this description, it is creating an email for them. How Fab Cakes could save 20 to 30% of its time with automation. So it's gonna straight away offer our automation to them. And this is the email template. Hi Fab Cakes team. I noticed how Fab Cakes has built an incredible reputation as the highest rated cake shop in East London with over number, because this number is taken from reviews or from their website, and it just some good words about them. And after that, it's offering our business. At Muro AI, we help businesses like yours automate repetitive tasks like order follow-ups, customer inquiries, or even personalized marketing to save time and scale effortlessly. We would love to analyze your current workflows and show you how to automate 20-30% of your operations within a week completely free. Would you like me to show you how? And that's it. And for all of the companies, this is written for about them, and this is their best email that we can use. And then when we send the email to them, we can use this drop down, and straight away when we send the email, we can say send. When we get a reply, let me just adjust it. When we get a reply from them, we can say, okay, we got a reply. And if it's a positive or negative, again, we can choose here. If it's a positive or if it's a negative, that this way with one Google Sheet, we can know which of these clients we are following up, what kind of replies we get from them, is it positive or negative, and etc. And as you can see, all of the emails has written here, the names, numbers, and openers. And this is the workflow. And this is the main workflow that is sending the query for the search. And this is the searcher. This is the sub workflow that is working. And it is completely for free because we are using Mistral for the AI model, which is free. It has some limitations for daily requests, but you can use it for free. And we are using Google Maps API, which is for places. And from Google, it is completely free in some limitations as well. And from one search, as you can see, we can have 20, after that 40, around 60 leads. So 53 leads from one search. And everything is going through this automation. How you can use it? You can use it to search for businesses to offer your services. You can search for businesses to collect their emails for email campaign. You can go to their website and collect information about them. You can call them after every email. And this way you can find clients completely for free with these automations. If you want to see how to set up this workflow, just click the link below and it's gonna lead you to the setup video. Or if you want to straight away download these both workflows for completely free, you can join Muro AI Automations Hub and just come to the classroom, YouTube Video Vault, and you can see the date of the video or the title of the video that has been uploaded. And when you go in, straight away you can see just next to the video the files of the workflow that you can download completely for free. And if you want personalized support and step-by-step courses, join Muro AI Academy, where you can find a course from zero to first workflow, which you can learn how to build AI automations without any technical background. It is 6 modules, 38 lessons, step by step, and each lesson has an assignment that when you do the assignments, you post it, and I am giving a feedback. And the second course is on building from first workflow to first paid client. Here we are covering how to build your simple profile and website, how to collect your first case studies. After that, you can choose 2 routes to use the social media or to use email campaign. And the goal of this course is to bring you your first case studies, testimonials from them, and after that to land your first paying automation client. Here you can find our call recordings. Every week we have calls, live, that you can ask your questions, we answer them. Here you can find templates, and with each template you can use straight away this text to put it into your portfolio. It shows what client problem it solves, how it works, the main benefits of the template, what to customize, and on most of the templates even I am including the client pitch pack, which is a short outreach snippet, best fit business types, where to find them, and outreach template. And straight away you can use this template to include it into your portfolio and start looking for new clients. And here we have also discount codes. Started to include some really comprehensive prompts for ChatGPT and customized GPTs. And that's it. Thank you very much, and see you in the setup video. Thank you.